back. We're gonna head down to the mat.
Okay.
We'll also work our neck and our glutes. So you're gonna be my little
your guinea pig. Okay.
Personal training thing.
Okay.
So come down on the elbow.
Well, gaseous glass, that's what you wanted, wasn't it? What do you think, Ma? What? Gaseous glass wanted to see Mom and Scoob.
What?
Gaseous glass. Gasser glass wanted to see Mom and Scoob. A friend of mine. He does fiberglass hood scoops for pretty high-end people, real high-end people. Shoemakers can't even agree on barbecue sauce, so we got what, sweet and sour?
Sweet Baby Ray.
Sweet Baby Ray, and we got this traditional bullseye, original. And tell me she ain't a griller. I don't grill. And the wind was just blowing out the fire, so we're in the garage. You're not supposed to do a grill in the garage, are you, Ma? Always listen to your Ma.
Not recommended.
Not recommended. See, turn the light on for you. Just came out of a bank today. It's Southern Ply. Came out of PNC. It's supposed to be bulletproof. They tell me. What am I gonna do with it? Really? Don't know. I would put it up here, but the natives, I ain't never here for them to bother me anymore.
Merchandise, very, very cost effective. We've got prices that are lower than we've checked that we've priced out. We just gone around and done a lot of shopping, a lot of.
Well, he got away, but he's 2 legs short. Yeah, because I tagged him. The handicap. Alrighty then. Okay. See what the time and temp is. It sure is hot outside, I tell you that. I can't handle the heat. I think summer's finally here, believe it or not, September. This thing must not be registering because temp was 80 when I rolled in. They're saying a high of 77 right here, but this, really? Probably because that, there you go, focus. I think this thermometer is related to the camcorder. It works when it wants to. So the battery's flashing. You want to, it's that time, that day. What we got new going on here? Yeah. Let me think. Went to the flea market today. Can you ever have too many toolboxes? I think not. You know, somebody could come in here and steal some toolboxes, and I wouldn't even know, because they have so many. There's a random one. There's one. I'm not even counting them. 2, 3. There's 4. And then I don't know how many is in here. That's they're all too deep. Whoa. I thought the shelf was gonna hold all of them, but apparently it don't hold them all. Yeah. So they started rolling on the floor, but I don't know. Something about toolbox, I don't know, man. The right toolbox will make me smile, and it's priceless. Put some daylights in the swamp. This one's nice. It's a crown. Come on. Even got the tray. I like this one. Oh yeah. It's a little tattered. I kind of like when it's tattered, to tell you the truth. This is whose it used to be, whoever that guy is. Apparently he didn't want nobody to take this. Probably a machinist, I would assume. I like these. I don't know why. Probably because they have the drawer. Then they have the logo again. I just like all these little drawers. What's my point? Don't know. It makes me smile. Oh, even got a look. A man even probably looked like he made a little divider. No, I've never seen that. Got a little, well, maybe he put that in there. No, he didn't. I've never seen that. I know he had to, it's aluminum. Anyway, I like that. I like everything in its own little place. Yeah, I think, yeah, he put that in there too. That's some Pim Daddy stuff. I guess there's somebody out there besides me that organizes shit. Imagine that. I thought I was last of the breed. Apparently not. Huh. Wow. Yeah. The door touches the floor. Can't have that. So, gotta do a little something today. King of Combos, Jimmy Jammin'. I don't think I got much more to say. Go and get a hobby. Yeah. Toolbox is my hobby. I can't let none of them get away. Can't. I can let some Kennedys and stuff get away these days, because you gotta cut the fat somewhere. You can't collect them all. Craftsman? Yeah. Piece of property. Piece of wood cell. Piece on earth, rest of piece, bigger piece of pie, piece of extra, piece of puzzle, piece of pussy, piece of corn dog, piece of pizza. And when the big dogs get all done eating, even the pugs get a piece of something, motherfucker. When you have a train rides in your town, you better jump on and ride that motherfucker till it comes off the goddamn tracks. Oh, I got a little ramp. Okay, you know, if you're running cell phone, it's fucking beautiful. I think you should give them a ticket or shoot them in their fucking head. Yeah, I said that. Going into the flea market and there's 3 cars deep, you can't move. Okay, that's fine, I understand. Traffic. So we see this dude parallel parking. I said, okay, I'm thinking that's fine. I understand that. Takes a lot of parallel park. So 2 cars in front of me go past, I go by, and this motherfucker's on a goddamn cell phone while he's parallel parking this old fucking man. Really? Really? I bet people put it down on the goddamn cell phone while they're driving down the goddamn road. They got a ticket for like $100. I bet these cell phones be landing. I think if you could get a ticket for fucking cell phone, I'm in the goddamn car to tell you the fucking truth, because it's getting out of goddamn control. People walk in the goddamn grocery store with their phones all stuck up in their goddamn face. Yeah, that's my rant. Don't like it. This broadcast for a special fucking news flash. Ice water challenge? Really? That's a daily thing around here. Ain't nothing special. Like I said, I get headaches when the sun's too goddamn hot. So it's pretty normal. Alrighty then. That falling down's pretty normal too, ain't it? There you go. kind of like eating ice cream too fast. It'll make you numb. Your head go numb. Yeah.